Now here's a company that is becoming an expert at something, stem cell therapies. Let's hear from Dr. Robin Smith, the chairman and CEO of NeoStem, a biopharma company trading under the symbol NBS on the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah, you have a very, very interesting company, stem cell treatments and therapies. It's an emerging area of the medical field. Start by giving our viewers a brief overview of where you are and where the industry stands today.
Sure. So regenerative medicine is growing. It's a way to use the cells of the body to treat different illnesses and disease. And there's a paradigm shift in medicine. So there are many people looking to treat unmet medical needs with cell therapy. Our company, NeoStem, feels that we're very well positioned in that we're creating our own cell therapies for unmet medical needs, as well as have a contract manufacturing business, which we believe is a big risk in cell therapy, is being able to make these cells to deliver them to the patient who's the end user.
And so you're actually creating your own cells.
What we do is we take cells of the body that get sent to our contract manufacturer and in essence turn them into a drug or turn them into a vaccine. It's a way to develop a therapy, a treatment to cure disease as opposed to just treating the elements that occur when you're sick.
But just briefly, Doctor, tell us a little bit about your background and some of the key members of your team.
Absolutely. We have an incredible management team that we've really built because of our acquisitions. You know, Progenitor Cell Therapy, the founders are part of our company. We bought management in them. And, you know, they've done this for over 13 years. They've helped over 100 clients develop cell therapies, everyone from Dendrion's Provenge, getting them through the clinical trial practice into commercialization. Companies like Baxter, Sangamo, Coronado, I mean, many companies developing cell therapies, we've been a part of that development process. So, you know, in an emerging industry, you can't get that kind of expertise. And we're really lucky to have that with our management team. I've built companies, sold them, you know, had a lot of experience in the capital markets. I'm a physician by background, and so that gives me the ability to both understand the financial markets, the business side, as well as the medical areas. And we have incredible KOLs, incredible advisors for all of our different cell therapy products that we use who are treating patients around the United States to help guide us as what's important.
Absolutely. Again, on with Dr. Robin Smith, the CEO of NeoStem, symbol NBS. You see it up on the screen. This is a company engaged in stem cell treatments and therapies, which is an emerging area of the medical field. We like this company. It has, we think, tremendous upside potential. Currently, as of this interview, the stock is trading at around $1, very liquid stock. And again, as we always say on these biotechs, these tend to appreciate on news. Take a look at the company. And I think you should look at this for the long term, not as simply a short-term investment, but if you can get this drug, AMR-001, to market by 2017, you probably will, very good chance the drug could be bought or licensed to Big Pharma, correct?
Absolutely.
You heard it straight from the CEO. Thanks for being with us today, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
You know, and I'm not a great dancer, but I'm not afraid to try. You know, some stocks are like uncoordinated dancers. You never quite know where they're going or what they'll do next. Now, NeoStem is not profitable yet, but the potential upside for investors is enormous. The key here is, can the company deliver on its technology? If it can, the stock should take off like a rocket. If the company cannot deliver, the stock could become the recipient of a hatchet job, which means if you buy this stock today, you could be looking at some very significant returns. But if not, if they don't execute, you could lose most of your investment. And that is the way it is with most micro-cap, small-cap stocks.